Ladies and gentlemen, from your respective fields, if you please, would you like to follow the race by riding with the journalists and the judges in that train over there? We've provided services such as tea, wine, and dining in the coaches. Oh, here are some binoculars. Please feel free to use them. The fireworks are up. That's the starting signal. 10 a.m., September 25th, 1890. The Trans-North American Steel Ball Run has finally begun. First stage, 15,000 meters. Over 3,600 horses, and there is no mass confusion among the participants. The starting grid stretches over 4 kilometers. Slowly, as if the waves of the Pacific Ocean crawled onto the land, all are running at once. Fellow journalists, I will now describe the development of the race and the routes. Between the 6,000 kilometer from San Diego to New York in the Atlantic Ocean, there are checkpoints set in 9 places, including New York, as shown on this map. These checkpoints are to identify race ranking, running time, and to check for illegal activity, such as changing horses. And each race up to their respective checkpoints will be called a stage. 9 stages in total. The first stage has just started as a sprint that will end at the Catholic Church 15,000 meters ahead. We will also decide the champion of each stage and present a prize money bonus. To the stage champion, 10,001 hour time bonus. A time bonus? That means correct. It will be very useful in the last half of the race. That means, for instance, if you have a bonus and pass the goal in New York in second place, but you are less than 1 hour behind first place, then you will be the winner. In other words, and your total time is decreased by an hour. But this time bonus, everyone will be drooling over it. But this race goes for over 2 months with only 1 horse, going hard on the horse right from the start and charging into the harsh front line would be something to think over. You could easily break your horse right away. Oh, while we were listening to the commentary, 1 horse jumped out ahead of the group of 3,600. Who is it? We're checking his saddlecloth. He's fast, he's speeding up at an incredible rate. Unbelievable speed. It's incredible. The first stage is quickly turning into something unexpected. He's not slowing down. What's the number on the saddlecloth? The number is B-636, identified as B636. Zappelli, recorded as Gyro Zappelli. Incredible! Racing number B-636, Gyro Zappelli, has left the group. Racing solo, he's trying to make clean getaway for the full 15,000 meters. He's still speeding up. Who is he? I don't know, there's no record. He could be a cowboy or a miner. He's planning to charge here. Gyro Zappelli. The horse he's riding on is a stock horse? I've heard they have Australian roots and amazing stamina. Is he relying on that stamina here? But it's 15,000 meters. He'll definitely tire out in the later half. And there's a race tomorrow, too. Going for it after 13,000 would be reasonable. But racing at that speed... Is he really thinking about crossing the continent like that? No, he said he'll win the race, to cross the continent and become the champion. The other horses are becoming agitated because of the group. It leaned? Oh no, a collision has occurred. They're running into each other. It's finally looking like a race now. Still, body charging, it's not against the rules. Cowboys control herds of cattle by dodging their charges. Dodging charges is a must. And now there is a challenger against Gyro Zapelli. Another one has jumped out of the group. He's chasing and closing in on Gyro. It's Diego Brando, the prince of the British horse racing world, plans to challenge. As if he's saying short-range racing is my territory. No, wait, there's already someone closing in from behind to the left. Zapelli is in his range. He's already closing in. The large mass is the champion candidate Ermid Avadol on Camelback. He charged. The camel's run. It looks like it's in the slow motion, but its legs are twice the length of a horse's. And its stride, it can accelerate enough to complete the width of a horse. And its weight surpasses 800 kilograms. That's 1.5 times heavier than a horse. He's planning to go for the goal by crushing anyone that gets near him. Another hit! Gyro is losing speed. Diego Brando has taken advantage of this slack and goes forward. Forward! He's going into the groove. No, he'll get caught between the trees. Gyro's leaning. If anyone is getting the time bonus, it's me, Avdol. I'm sorry to say. The final blow. The deadly camel's run. The deadly desert nomad Ermid Avadol. He's closing in again. He can't hold off anymore. He'll be struck down. Gyro Zapelli. No, he lunged. It's cactus. Avdol lunged into a cluster of cactus. Woo. Did he not see it because they were blocked by the groove? The camel charged into the cacti. He collapsed. It's a fall! A fall! He's fallen! Ermid Avdol is down. Gyro is safe. Gyro is unhurt. Gyro has not charged into the cacti. He's eliminated. What a start. The first stage. They haven't even run for 1,000 meters, and what a flurry of events. Ermid Avdol. He's not moving. He's been eliminated. A champion candidate has already been eliminated from the race. What just happened? What just happened? The steel ball. Was it because of the steel ball again? The stunning steel. The cacti's image showed in the dust of the rocks. The vibrations caused by the spin. Was he using the shock waves to find the position of the cactus without being able to see it? He used the waves from the rotation to search behind the rock, like how you'd knock on a watermelon to observe the insides. He lured Avdol into the cacti patch. Whatever I can get, I'll take except for diseases, but especially a time bonus. Yo!